Hey there, so this question keeps coming up. I wanted to make this video because I keep getting this question asked by several people, whether it's clients that are actively looking to buy or sell, or just people I meet on the street, or friends, family. I meet them for a party or something. They ask me, hey, is it a good time to buy? So that's a very fair question. Is it a good time to buy? And I want to go into this question and answer it like I'd answer it just to everybody, but because this might be a question you have as well. So first thing, I'm not going to do a video with a bunch of stats and numbers and anything like that. I'm not going to do that because the numbers and the stats and the interest rates, everything is changing so fast. So that would make this video just obsolete next week. So I want to just talk about that question and how I answer it in different markets, how I just answer it as generally as a real estate agent. So the question is it a good time to buy? Yeah, and the answer is, well, it depends. Are you looking to buy? Are you looking to sell? Are you looking to invest? Are you looking to flip a house? What is it that you're after? And that's the answer that we have. So in the last few years, people were getting outbid. They were making multiple offers on homes, off-peaking offers like way over ask price on a house. And yeah, that was a good time to buy. If you needed to buy a house, it was a good time to buy. There's people that made good equity even now. Some people are just in the house because they needed to be in the house, because it was a good time to buy for them because they had maybe a growing family, they're working from home, they don't have an office to go to, and you needed more space. So yeah, it was a good time to buy, or they got relocated, and yeah, it was a good time to buy for them, or they were going to move closer to family because now you're working from home, and yeah, it was a good time to buy. So the answer to that, yeah, it's a good time to buy if you need to buy a house. So a lot of people try to speculate the market and invest and think it's the greatest thing in the world. So and it's not, the real estate market is not something you want to play with. If you're an investor, if you're buying 100 homes a year, multiple homes a year, yeah, you want to be cautious how's the market, what interest rates are doing, things like that. But if you're a homeowner, you're gonna live in the house, or it's your second home, or you're just buying just one investment, the good time to buy is whenever you can buy, when you could afford a house, whenever you need to buy. So it's never a bad idea to buy a real estate. Now, some people might tell me, hey, well, at least there's people that bought last year, 2021, early 2022, and their home values have dropped in certain parts of the country. So yeah, if you're buying that's why I say, if you're buying as an investor, it's a different story. But those people unless you need to sell now 6 months later, it's still a good buy because you're in a good home, you got a good interest rate, it's functioning for you, it's something that's working for you. It baffles me how people go and buy a car and they drive it off the lot and it lost thousands of dollars in value, and then they're scared to buy a house, which it's going to appreciate over time. Generally, historically speaking, homes are going to appreciate. Even if there's a dip, you're still going to win at the end of the day. And then they're okay buying a $80,000 car, driving it off the lot, and that's worth $70,000, $60,000, So that really does baffle me. So you see real estate as it's a home, as a tool. You need somewhere to live, you need a roof over your head. So yes, it's a good time to buy whenever it's right for you and your family. So don't worry too much about rates, because rates are temporary. They go up, they go down, so you could always refinance. But make a move when it's the right time for you. If you're waiting for an interest rate to drop and you're losing out on that house, you're losing out on the lifestyle, you're losing out on time away from family because your commute is longer, you're losing time because, hey, you're trying to move closer maybe to family or to anything else, and you're losing time. So make the move when it's the right time for you. Something else I want to advise for you, if it's the right time, don't listen to the news, don't listen to whatever they're saying on TV, on social media. Listen to a professional. If something was wrong with you physically, you had an ailment, something hurts, you have a cough, are you gonna go on to the Channel 9 News and ask them, hey, what do you think is wrong with me? Should I be concerned? No, you're gonna go to a doctor and ask them about that, right? If somebody's suing you, you're not gonna go on social media and ask people, hey, what should I do? No, you're gonna go and hire a professional attorney to take care of that. So if you're looking in the real estate market, look for professional advice. There's a lot of videos put out by real estate professionals like myself out on YouTube. You could always usually pick up the phone and answer general questions. I got a call yesterday. It was a random call. They asked me questions. They were not looking to buy, looking to sell. They were just asking random questions, and I was open to answering some of those. So when you have questions, is it a good time to buy? Listen to the professionals. Don't listen to the media. They're there. to sell the news, not to sell houses, not to be giving you financial advice or real estate advice. So listen to a professional. Like I said, it's a good time to buy if it's the right time for you and your family. That's my take on this video. Again, I hope this is useful information. Again, be educated, buy a professional. Don't go by the news. That's just my take. And I hope you enjoy this video. We'll see you on the next one. Have a great week.